Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you guys might know, on August 5th there is a Samsung event happening of the Galaxy Unpacked event, on which the next Galaxy Note devices would be unveiled. And for that event only, Samsung has sent me a special kit that would really help me in enhancing my experience for watching that event. So come along with this video and let's see what Samsung has sent for us and unbox this kit with you guys. So let's dive in. So here is the kit, and as you can see I have not even opened it up. So here's the peeler and start peeling it off. Here I've started the peeling the box. So do tell me in the comments that what do you think about the new devices that Samsung is gonna unveil at this Unpacked event. Do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, as I keep these kind of things updated, that what video I'm coming, and make sure to keep the bell icon as well so that you never miss any updates from my side. And oh sorry, here it is, the Unpacked kit. It's written Samsung, and let's peel plastic from the side and let what Samsung has in store for us. Let's see. So here the plastic is coming off. I'm very excited to see what Samsung has given to us. So here is the box, as you can see, and let's open it up. So here is the Unpacked kit, as you can see, Galaxy Unpacked, and let's open it up. And as you can see, it's looking like a stage like setup, and let's see what's in store for us. Firstly, there is a letter from TM from the president itself to all Samsung members for enhancing it, and personal letter. I will share images if you want. And let's see more. Here comes the creators launch instructions, because creators launch is specifically in San Francisco. During my trip at San Francisco, they showed us pretty good activities there. And here is a light. You can see they have provided us so that with different light settings as well. It can be pretty bright, huh? Pretty good. And there is a clip that can be attached, on which it can be attached. Okay, a light, and a tripod stand. Here is a tripod, and this can be act as a stand as well. And it can extend as well. I will be using this in future videos specifically. I loved it. Okay, let's see, we have anything else. Oh, so much so, huh? Pretty emojis and all. Here something else here. Let's check. Oh, one more. As you can see how these look, I think they're amazing, huh? Anything? I hope the box is empty now, huh? Yes, pretty much the box is empty. Okay, but let me show you one thing more. First, I've closed the box now. And here's the box, and there is a feature. Let me show you. It comes out like this stage, and you can place your smartphone here so that it just looks like a launch event stage. And I think the box is pretty decent. It's pretty heavy and loads of goodies. A tripod, and these emoji kinds, so that we can get more creativity, Samsung members, and this specific light. Oh, I think this also illuminates. Let me check. 1 second. Oh yes, this also illuminates. Oh, pretty amazing. Did you like it? So, are you excited for the Unpacked event, guys? Let me show me your enthusiasm down in the comments below. So thank you guys for watching this video. That was the Unpacked kit by Samsung that they sent to me. I hope you liked it, and do tell me in the comments what was your favorite thing that you found in Unpacked kit that Samsung sent me. And I hope you all are also excited for the August 5th event that they will be telecasting live on all platforms. And yeah, do tell me in the comments what is your favorite device that you are expecting to launch on this launch event. And yeah, I hope to see you in future videos. Share, like, and subscribe to my channel, and hope you have a nice day. Thank you.